Flash Furniture Nantucket 6-piece patio garden table set, umbrella table, set of 4 black folding chairs. Over 1,000 reviewers give this sturdy 6-piece patio set a 5-star rating, and dozens mention that the umbrella, a feature the other patio sets on this list lack, is a major selling point. And though some note that the chairs and table are on the smaller side, one reviewer, who wears a size 26, says that they're perfectly comfortable in the chairs and very easy to assemble. They add that the umbrella has been sturdy enough during the week we've had it, though they still recommend keeping it closed while not in use. It's a simple set, and another reviewer does say it may not be the most stylish patio set ever made, but it certainly gets the job done for seating small groups. If you need quality budget patio furniture, and you don't care about being featured in better homes and gardens, I couldn't recommend this more. They write, "I couldn't have locked out more. It suits our needs. The table is small, but can fit a small seated group of 3 to 4. I keep the chairs and umbrella folded and out of the way when not in use, but they've lasted so far. I say go for it." Grierdon 3-piece patio set balcony furniture outdoor wicker chair patio chairs for patio, porch, backyard, balcony, poolside, and garden with coffee table and cushions gray. This 3-piece wicker set gets high marks for its surprisingly affordable price and comfortable, easy-to-clean cushions. This set is much better than I expected, given the low price, and it looks great on my balcony. One such reviewer begins, "The chairs are very sturdy, and they look very nice, and the cushions also have a zipper, so you can wash them. And while the seat cushions aren't the plushest they've ever sat on, the chairs are generally comfortable already, so don't think you need too much padding." Another reviewer was also pleasantly surprised by the quality and finds that they love sitting on these chairs in the morning with a cup of coffee out in the fresh air. And while they do think the chairs could be a smidge taller, overall they are very comfortable, and they fit on my small front porch very well. Walker Edison 7-person outdoor wood chevron patio furniture dining set extendable table chairs bench all-weather backyard conversation garden poolside balcony. Made of solid acacia wood, this 6-piece patio set, which includes 4 chairs, 1 bench, and 1 table, is most often described by reviewers as beautiful, sturdy, and easy to assemble. As one writes, the wood is lightweight, but sturdy and well-crafted for the price you pay. It took about an hour or so to put together, and the directions were easy to follow. In order to keep the wood moisturized, they conditioned their set with beeswax and will probably do a few more coats to help it stand up to the weather. If you live in a rainy or humid climate, you should definitely plan on sealing this, they advise, though they haven't run into any issues yet. And another 5-star reviewer calls it a fantastic outdoor option that gives off a super cozy woodsy feeling. Plus, even though they had a problem with one of their chairs, the customer service was fabulous. They were able to send a set out to me with no return strings attached. Loxit's home 3-piece CS bar stools set 2 high swivel chairs and 1 high outdoor bistro table, patio furniture, gray teseling fabric. Over 200 reviewers give this high-top patio set 5 stars, and reviewers especially like the 360-degree swivel chairs. After reading all of the reviews for this set, I decided to go for it. And boy, am I glad I did. One such reviewer begins, "This set is way more substantial than I could have hoped for. It's heavy and is not cheaply made where you are worried it's going to blow over in the wind. The smoked glass top is a nice addition and gives it a classy look. But their favorite part of this set is the chairs, which are surprisingly comfortable. I love that they swivel and have adjusters on the bottom for stabilizing." And another reviewer, who titled their review, "Worth the money," agrees, finding it just as attractive as it is functional. This is a beautifully constructed set. The chairs are comfortable and swivel nicely, they're right. And as for the table, the glass top is deeply tinted, giving it a rich look. Bainer Garden 4 pieces outdoor furniture complete patio cushion wicker PE Rattan garden set. This handsome 4-piece set comes with a LOKATSE, 2 chairs, and a glass top table, which reviewers find just as comfortable as it is sturdy. One reviewer took a chance and ordered this set without reading any reviews, and is so glad that they did. This is a great set for a small patio or deck space, they're right. The chairs and sofa are very sturdy and comfortable. Plus it's easy to put together. I've never assembled any furniture before, so I say it's pretty easy to assemble, they add. Just lay all the pieces on the floor and use common sense. Another was in love with it by the time they finished assembly, finding it to be nicer hands down than their $700 set. It's not the highest quality, but it looks it, they're right. Now my husband actually sits outside with me in the mornings when I have my coffee,